One day I was scrolling YouTube and I found this Italian Stromboli. It looks easy to make and it looks delicious. My husband would definitely love it. And I can use the sausages and cheese at home to make it easily. We'll see how it goes. First, put down the pizza crust. Oh no, you have to put down the baking paper first because it's gonna stick. Now it's the sauce time. The sauce that I'm using right now is my favorite, absolute favorite Ajika sauce. And it's homemade as well. This is very different from the Ajika sauce that you can find in supermarkets like Sainsbury's, for example. I bought an Ajika sauce from Sainsbury's once and I never wanted to touch it again. But this is homemade by my boyfriend's mom and it tastes absolutely amazing. When you spread the sauce, try not to get too close to the edges because when you fold it over in the future, you won't have to deal with non-sticking edges. Let's put on some of our favorite ham. This one is the honey roasted ham from Sainsbury's. We're gonna add a vast amount of mild cheddar cheese. For the second layer, I'm gonna put some salami slices. But unfortunately, we only have 5 slices left, and that's how we're gonna make it. Again, there's never too little cheese. Now gently fold the whole piece across from one side to the other. Try not to pinch a hole in the pizza crust. Here you will notice that as we're rolling, there will be dough going into the center of the roll. That's gonna affect how it tastes later. Alright, as you approach the end of the another side, fold it backwards. And then seal it carefully. Don't forget the up and bottom openings. Carefully flip it to the other side with the assistance of the baking paper. Well, let's melt some butter. From my experience, the microwave in our house is roughly 900 watts and it takes 40 seconds to fully melt the butter. Brush the melted butter. And sprinkle some garlic powder and parsley onto the stromboli. Pop it into the oven. According to the video that I watched, it suggested using 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Check the stromboli from time to time. Alright, 20 minutes up. Let's take it out. I have to say though, it looks really nice. It's almost 100% replica of what I saw online. Now it's time for the reality. Although it looks really beautiful on the outside, but inside, because we roll the crust into the center, the inside is not fully cooked and it tastes raw. Fully fix that, we put the stromboli back to the oven and cook it at lower temperature for extra minutes. If you can't be bothered to deal with this, I suggest you to make a calzone instead, which is where there's no dough inside, but it still tastes the same.